Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Welcome to class 4. Open your book, page number 8. Our country, unit number 2. Hamara mulk. Our country is beautiful. It has a variety of nature features, from 7 of the world's highest mountains in the north to long stretches of beautiful coastline and beaches in the south. In the north, there are high mountains with snowy peaks, glaciers, fresh mountain streams, bubbling waterfalls, and clear icy lakes. There are deep valleys and steep rocky ridges. It is very cold there. लोकेशन एंड नेबर्स. लोकेशन यानी कि आपका जो है वो मकाम, हमारे हमसाया ममालिक के लिहाज से हमारा मकाम क्या है. Pakistan is in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It has an area of 7,96,095 square kilometers. We share borders with Iran in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the northeast, and India in the east. To the south of the Pakistan is the Arabian Sea. From the southwestern tip of the country, to the northeastern tip, Pakistan covers a distance of over 1800 kilometers. Look at the map of the world and you will see that our country is bigger than some countries but much smaller than other countries. मैप में आप देख सकते हैं ये पाकिस्तान है, जैसे कि ये इंडिया से छोटा है और नेपाल इससे छोटा है. इसी तरह बहुत से कंट्रीज जो हैं वो इससे छोटी और बड़ी हैं. पेज नंबर 9. The population of Pakistan is over 207 million. The population is diverse in terms of their language, habits, customs, and styles of clothing. We may be different from each other, but we all belongs to one country. We are all Pakistani. The population of Pakistan has grown rapidly. The population of Pakistan has grown rapidly. This is because people have large families and because more people live longer. Every year there are also a number of people who move to or migrate from Pakistan to another country or move to Pakistan from somewhere else. The people of Pakistan follow different faiths, but the majority of the population is Muslim. There is represented this is represented by the green portion of the Pakistani flag. The minorities include Christians, Hindus, Parsis, and Sikhs, and they are represented by the white portion of the national flag. The landscape of Pakistan. In the central part of the country, there are wide plains with rich, fertile soil, water by the river Indus and its tributaries. This river Indus, which starts in the Himalayas, is pointed at Mithankot by the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Sutlej, which follow as one from Panjan in southern Punjab. This is the agricultural heartland of Pakistan. Crops grow in the fields and many people work in the farms. In the west, there are mountains, but they are not as high as the north. This is also an area of desert land. There is no larger rivers or lakes in the west, but it has a long coastline along the Arabian Sea in the south. There are forests along the western banks of the river Indus, while there is farming on the plains along the river. Page 10. Living and working. रहना और काम करना. There are thousands of villages in Pakistan. Most villagers earn a living by working on the land. Since we know where the best agricultural land is, we also know where most of the people live. They also make handicrafts with locally produced materials.